Okay, cos is basically just like the sine and the tan. It's just a different ratio, and you use it when you haven't got all the other sides you need when you typically use a sine or a tan. So the cos, let's write it up here. Let's get it right this time. So the cos is, now how I remember it is a wee anagram called SOHCAHTOA. So which is this. I'll just write it up here. This is how I remember it all the time. SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. And look how I've got the A above the H. So that means the cos, if you want to put X degrees over that minute, is the A over the H. The A over the H. So in this question here, which is from exercise 19.5, which you've got to do in 3C, they're asking you to work out this guy here. Now, let's go and fill in where's the hypotenuse. There's the hypotenuse. Between the angle and the 90 degrees is the adjacent, and that's the side we're finding. So, and we've got the angle. So in this question here, we've got cos of 34 equals, well, the A in this case is X, and hypotenuse is 7.5. Now, again, like the last video, I'm not too bored how you rearrange this and get it in order, but what you know is happening is, using a top set, you'll know the 7.5 is dividing, so it moves across here and becomes a times. So therefore, X equals cos of 34 times 7.5. So I'm just going to write this, just going to move it about. Cos of 34, oops, times by 7.5. Okay, and then I can just work that out. So I'm going to do the cos of 34, get it, times it by 7.5. There you go. 6.2177 da da da. X equals, let's round that to one decimal place, 6.2 centimeters. Big side 7.5, so a smaller side must be less than that. I'm okay with that. Okay, let's go and look at one where it's this is, if you go and look at this question in the book, the same exercise, it's got like it's a set of lights and all the rest of it, but essentially all they're wanting you to do is you've got your wee right angle triangle in here, and they're wanting you to work out X degrees. And remember, these right now all we're dealing with is 90-degree triangles. You're only going to do the other triangles are not 90 degrees halfway through fourth year. Okay, so it's always 90-degree triangles. So again, I'm going to label this. So between the 90 degrees and my angle is my adjacent. Okay, remember this wee rule. The side opposite my angle is the opposite. But they don't ask me to get the opposite. They want me to get the angle, and there's my hypotenuse. So I'm going to be using cos again, because look, I've got the A and the H. So cos equals A over H. Doesn't matter if it's uppercase or lowercase. Now I'm going to sub in the values. Cos X equals 30 over 39. You don't have to have the units here, because it's just numerical. Now here's a wee tricky bit. X equals, move this cos across the other side, cos to the minus 1. What I'm going to do, I'm going to do that in one go. Shift cos to minus 1, 30 divided by 39, close the brackets. I don't think you need that closed bracket, I think he just knows how to do it. 39.71, so 39.7 degrees, and that's you. Okay, it's easy as that. Now that is a major building block to much harder questions later on. Okay, so you've now done the tan, the sine and the cos. Now what's going to be difficult going later is when they don't tell you what one you've got to use, you've got to work it out. That's the more difficult bit, and we'll be doing more of that later on. Okay guys, so I'll be posting this all up and you can have a wee work on it and have a couple of go. Obviously have I think there's 8 questions in the homework, and just supply me with your working. I really don't just want the answers, I really like to see the workings to see what you're up to. And have a really good weekend, and I think we've got a week and a bit left. I'm looking forward to the holidays as much as you guys are. Okay, bye.